Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious brownies using cocoa powder. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor. Don't forget 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt. Accurate measurements are key to a perfect batch. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. In one bowl, gently whisk together your flour, cocoa powder, and salt. In another, larger bowl, combine the melted butter and sugar until smooth. Then, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing just until no streaks of flour remain. Be careful not to overmix. With your batter mixed, it's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare an 8 by 8 inch baking pan by greasing and lightly flouring it. This prevents sticking. Pour your rich brownie batter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial. Let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 1 hour before attempting to cut them. This ensures they set properly and you get clean, fudgy squares. For an extra special treat, consider dusting them with powdered sugar or drizzling a simple chocolate glaze over the top. Enjoy your homemade, delicious cocoa powder brownies.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.